Do you have a siding crack in your house? It could be a stone chip from a lawnmower or any sort of problem like that. If it's about the size of a quarter, not too large, you can repair it with this all-purpose DAP weatherproofing patching compound. This is exterior and interior rated. It is waterproof, it dries fairly quickly, and it's a low-cost alternative to some other methods of repairing vinyl siding cracks. This is what the product looks like. The process cannot be easier. You're simply going to apply, let it dry, sand, and paint. This is a UV resistant and it resists cracks and discoloring. Now, if your crack was very large, you might want to put some backer rod back there. That could be just some crumpled up material just to fill in the void. In this case, we're just going to go right over a little bit more material than you're going to think we're going to need. And then after that dries, we'll come back and lightly sand and then try the color match. If you got real fancy, you could even scratch the simulated wood grade into it, like with a toothpick or something like that. You can do artist brush, spray paint, color match at the Home Depot, something like that. Okay, this is a standard sanding block, often called a drywall sander block. Multi-purpose. This is the medium grit. Exterior grade spray paint. I just wanted a little bit of a quicker patch, quicker down and dirty. Okay, I think I'm going to let that dry and come out and check it again in a little bit. Probably does need a second layer if you want to try to get perfection. But overall, if you zoom out, it's not really going to catch somebody's eye. It's going to be pretty seamless. Okay, now if you're lucky enough to have a small crack or something on white vinyl corner, trims, vinyl fence, anything like that, then you're just ready to go. No color match at all. Just apply to fill the crack and let it dry, sand it smooth, and you're good to go. This is another siding crack I found around the house. Now, usually I've done patches on the flat areas of siding. As you can see, this one is curved. This is on the bump out area of the vinyl siding. So I'm going to try to fill that with the all-purpose waterproof patching compound and see what happens. And I'm going to pack it pretty full because of the angle on this one. It might take multiple coats. This is a good time when you'd want to come back to with a backer rod and fill it. Okay, let's start to scrape off the excess, see where we are. Let's let that set up. It's going to have to harden first, sand it, and then we'll come back for a second coat. Hey, I want to encourage you, even if you feel like your siding crack patch might not come out perfect, you still are effectively sealing out the water and the bugs. You are improving your house. Okay, on the next vinyl siding patch, we do have a much darker color, so I'm going to try something I've never tried before on this one. We're going to do a color custom match of the color before we apply the patching compound. All the product links are in the video description down below. Now, in case you don't know, DAP is the largest manufacturer of patching compounds, caulks, sealants, that kind of thing. So it's a very trusted company. It's been around forever. We have this dark navy blue exterior grade spray paint. I'm going to try to mix it into the patching compound before applying it in the siding crack. Okay, after this dries, I know it looks like a mess perhaps on camera right now, but after it dries, let's come back and sand. The product label says 2+ hours dry time. Blues are very hard to match, so are reds. Okay, the crack is filled, the crack is gone, but we need a better color match on this one. I'll have to come back with a darker shade of blue and blend that better. I do think I'll try this method again in the future though, pre-mixing the patching compound before filling a crack. I do find that interesting. I want to experiment with a few different colors on that one. Also, a lot of viewers are commenting that if it's a very small crack, they're having good luck with clear silicone caulk, which works fine. Of course, you can replace the entire piece, but they come in 12-foot wide strips, so often you won't find an exact match or it'll be faded. So some type of patching compound is your best bet, such as this DAP patching compound, exterior grade, waterproof. Bondo is an excellent product as well. Please let me know in the comments down below, what are your siding cracks that you have repaired? What is your experience? Have you been satisfied with patching compounds? And what product do you like the best?